Hi everyone, welcome to shsirclasses. Today in this video we have to draw a circle of radius 6.1 centimeter or diameter 12.2 centimeter. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to draw here the radius 6.1 centimeter. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 6.1. And we know that radius of a circle is equal to half of diameter of the circle. So this is 6.1 centimeter. Now taking here a point, next taking the length 6.1 centimeter by using compass and putting the compass on the point. Now drawing here a arc by this way, and which represent a circle with a radius 6.1 centimeter. Now joining this, and this is the radius of this circle. So taking here center O and here A. So this is 6.1 centimeter. So therefore radius OA equal to 6.1 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.